Well, this is day 2 of sorting out the starter motor. I got the bastard thing out now. As with all these things, one little thing can take all the time of all the others. In this instance, it was this little bugger here is seized up, so I had to drill off the top of that. I need to pull that out, but that's resting with some special stuff to release it. I need to also clean. This is full of crud in the middle, full of junk in the middle. Took a lot of hoovering out. This is all going to be cleaned up, all made nice. These pipes look like they've partially leaked in the past, so will be cleaned up tomorrow or the day after. Overall, that little bugger there took all the time. Everything else needed taking out. Not really too hard. Little risky things like the bolts at the back there and the big hole. They can easily fall. They could fall into there. So you need to make sure you got some tissue blocking up the space. Looking at this, that's actual starter power, and that's the solenoid power. Looks okay. I don't know, maybe it's a bit green. I've tested the circuit that goes all the way around to over here, and it's fine, but I've squeezed them together. It could be just that one little thing. I'm not sure. Got tissue obviously all in the inlet valves. There's 2 of them obviously, so it's a triple valve. Covers, well, their sort of 3rd step really, once all the other bits are done on the car. Overall it's going relatively well. Just need to tidy up, clean up all that middle bit, and get the starter, the master starter, taken for refurbishment. This is all the bits. There's a Weber bit here, this thing here, bit in the front, and then sort of injector assembly there. That's all been cleaned up. That's nearly ready. Just need that thing removed, so the paint stripped, and then it can be wrinkle painted. That'll be the first bit to do, I think. Really get that one done. That's the bloody air box with the pipes on it. That was a pain in the ass. Very other little bits, but overall, and I got the parts from Eurospares, very quick, very professional, good company. That's it really.